I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Delish Deli. Delish Deli aims to bring the best American food here in Cebu. They have a physical store at the ground floor of Avenir Building, but they can also be found in LEB Mobile. And what I am having here right now are their best sellers. First is their chicken buffalo wings. Interesting hakinemborg na side dish. And they also have cheesecake, or like the American cheesecake. And lastly, fries, of course, because they suggest that the buffalo wings usually comes with fries. To order, just search Delish Deli in LEB Mobile. Delish Deli is a perfect restaurant if ever you want a cheesecake, you want buffalo wings, and you want fries at the same time, plus the milk tea pagyud. Well, usa ka tindahan naa na gyud tanan. And now let's try their classic milk tea. This one is at 155 pesos. This large fries is at 155 pesos also, and it comes in cheese, barbecue, or classic flavors. And now let's try their buffalo wings. This buffalo wings is at 229 pesos. And it comes with the usual white sauce that comes with the buffalo sauce. But this time, what makes it interesting, kay nas like kuyog nga jalapeno chili peppers. So it doesn't come with the chili sauce, pero nagyo siya kuyog nga real chili. In which if ever you like spicy food, lami rasad yun di ay nga kanon mo ang chili together with the white sauce and the chicken pagyud. That one is a perfect combination. Kanagaling murag fries akong ikaon purag manginhanglan jud ko og rice. And now I am trying the buffalo wings alone nga wala siya sauce, lami ra pud siya. And if ever hang nagali kayo, perfect yun nga mukaon na dayon ka sa classic American cheesecake after, in which bago pa sa gyud sa ilahang menu. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and lastly to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.